Lazareth is a small company based in France who specializes in making some really weird but interesting vehicles. Like this Yamaha R1 based cafe racer, this amphibian quadricycle, this Maserati V8 powered LM897 motorcycle, etc. But with their latest creation, Lazareth has taken the game to a whole new level. And it's probably going to cement their name in the automotive world as the most daring custom automotive manufacturer ever existed. Meet the Auto-Moto Volante 496, a daring attempt to defy the odds and reach for the skies on a motorcycle. The Auto-Moto Volante literally translates into the flying motorcycle, and it's not just a showpiece to attract the investors. In fact, it's a fully functioning prototype, and according to Lazareth, the production models can be expected by mid-2020. So the biggest selling point of this motorcycle is its flying capability, and that comes from 4 jet turbines installed in each of the motorcycle's 4-wheel hubs. The jet turbine is made by JetCat, the German company that makes the jet turbines used by Yves Rosie, or better known as the Jetman, as well as NASA and Skunk Works for their experimental aircrafts. So no need to worry about the legitimacy of the turbine. The wheel hubs which contain the turbines also includes the disc brakes to stop this flying motorcycle on the road. The turbines operates at 96,000 RPM and produces 2800 newtons of thrust, which in our horsepower terms is around 1300 brake horsepower. Like the LM897, the LMV 496 also seems to have a Maserati power plant. But Lazareth has confirmed that the motorcycle will use electric power for traveling on the ground and will have a range of 100 kilometers. And the weird looking thing in the middle is actually a kerosene tank, which will be used as fuel for the jet turbines. Lazareth will add a couple of more turbines in the middle of the chassis if you want to carry a pillion during the flights. There is no complex procedures are involved in transforming this motorcycle into a gigantic quadcopter-like machine. All you have to do is to flip a switch on the dashboard. The hydraulic actuators will tilt the 4-wheel out and up, forming a jet-powered quadcopter-like configuration. And you can be airborne within a couple of minutes, as the turbine requires 60 seconds to preheat. But what will happen if something goes wrong in the sky? Well, Lazareth has a solution for that too. You can deploy the ballistic parachutes placed in each wheel in case of an emergency. As of now, the Auto-Moto Volante is still in its prototype state, and a lot of informations are still withheld from the public. Even though there are no footages of the LMV flying yet, Lazareth has released a couple of videos of the Auto-Moto Volante 496 hovering over the ground in controlled environments. If you are interested, you can have one for around $500,000. And you better be hurry, because Lazareth is only planning to build 5 examples of this engineering masterpiece.